Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shopify for fulfillment project coordination, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Shopify for fulfillment project coordination, start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located at the bottom left of the admin panel. In the Settings menu, select Shipping and Delivery. Next, click on the Manage button next to the fulfillment service you want to activate. If you haven't added a fulfillment service yet, click on Add Fulfillment Service to set one up. Fill in the required information for the new fulfillment service. Ensure you provide a name and description to easily identify it later. After adding the service, return to the Shipping and Delivery settings. Click Save to ensure your changes are applied. Now, go to the Products section in your admin panel. Select a product that you want to assign to your fulfillment service. Scroll down to the Inventory section of the product page. Under Inventory Managed By, choose your newly added fulfillment service from the drop-down menu. Make sure to enter the SKU and other relevant details. Once completed, click Save to update your product settings. Repeat this process for any additional products you want to assign. After assigning your products, go to the Orders tab in your admin panel. Ensure your automation settings are configured to send orders to your fulfillment service. To do this, navigate to Settings and then Checkout. Check the options for order fulfillment notifications. Make adjustments as necessary to streamline communication with your fulfillment service. Once all settings are configured, monitor the orders to ensure they are being processed by the fulfillment service. Finally, regularly check your fulfillment service status in the Shipping and Delivery section. This will help ensure everything runs smoothly throughout your project coordination. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.